My dog is sniffing the bags and stuff. And then we got a haul. Let's just get right into it so we don't waste any time, because I'm over trying on clothes, because as y'all can see, I still have clothes on from the last haul. I don't have many pants, like sweatpants and stuff like that.
Yeah, I don't have a lot of that, so I was in dire need of sweatpants because I'm not about to be wearing jeans all the time. I don't even know how this happened, honestly, because I never wear jeans. So it's like, where did all these jeans come from?
First, I'm gonna try on these gray sweatpants. Let's see what they hit for. Very cute. I like them already. What's up with this? Why do y'all like doing it? Like, for real, like, why do y'all like doing stuff like this? I don't like that. It didn't even look like that on the girl. Like, it's like, I don't understand. Or maybe it did, and I just thought, I don't know. But like, I'm not happy about it. I like the back. The back's giving, but the front is not. So like, I hate returning stuff to Fashion Nova. So I'm gonna just keep these because they're mad comfortable. These are comfortable. Regardless of the weird little frumpy pocket in the front, these are comfortable. These are comfortable. Regardless of the frumpy little pocket in the front. But
that pocket in the front. So what I'm gonna do is, when I wear them, I'm gonna just flip them. Flip them just like this. And it is what it is. You know, they got mad pockets. I put my pepper spray in here. Phone in this one. My keys in this one. And my chapstick in this one. Who needs a purse?
Not me. Not no more. So I'm gonna just get on this here little stool so y'all can really see these pants. They're really not bad, but I just really hate when, like, I don't know, this is not my style. That thing right here, it's not me, you know? The next one I'm trying on, hopefully is not weird or frumpy in the front, is these black legging bell-bottom type things. And I did not realize they were going to be this material. That's why reading is fundamental. So I guess I could also wear these to the gym or wear these on a chill day. So
these pants are high-waisted. I folded them down because I don't really like when stuff is like over my belly button and stuff like that. I just feel like it doesn't look good on me. I like when stuff is like low-rise, low-waisted.
Low. You feel me? That's how I like my stuff. So yeah, after I folded them down and stared at myself for like 5 minutes, I like them now. They're cute. They have a little scrunch on the back, you know, to accentuate things. But like, other than that, like, they're, you know, it's basic bell-bottom black pants. Like, what can you really say about them? Yeah. So anyways, I got 3 pairs of black jeans and I'm gonna keep one of them. So I got beef with Zara because why do y'all's sizes never match up? Like, this is like the 15th time where I bought something from y'all and the size that I got previously didn't work before. Y'all could have put the size run small on the website or something before people like purchase.
Like, one time I bought a pair of pants from Zara. I put it on everything. I had to buy a size medium or a size large. And at that time I was mad skinny, so I was wearing extra smalls and everything, even my pants. I had to get a medium and or a large in these one pair of pants.
Zara, come on. Not a single one of those jeans fit me. Mind you, a month ago, I bought like 4 pairs of jeans or something like that. I brought them back except for 1 pair. But like, they all fit and they were all size 27. So why, when I'm getting a size 27, not a single pair fits? What is going on? So that was a bust. None of those pants fit, but they look like they would have been cute. So now I got an attitude. Now I have an attitude. And now I'm gonna find someone to make those same exact jeans and that's it. That's gonna be that. Anyways, I got these on. They're ugly, mad ugly. I don't like them. You know, I like the back. The back is snatched up, but not the front. So who cares? Like, I'm so over them. I don't have any words. So I'm just gonna show it off because I still have an attitude. That's it. Honestly, they don't deserve my review. I'm definitely over this haul. I don't feel like doing it no more. So it's a basic black top. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to see more videos, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.